Tips and tricks for a successful affiliate marketing business. You need to watch this video if you have ever wanted to either find out what affiliate marketing is about or if you wanted to improve your current plan. The advice provided in this video is some of the best advice you will ever see, and it is presented in an easy to understand format. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hone in on a niche market and provide your visitors with valuable information that will increase their confidence in you. Recommending quality affiliate products that your visitors are interested in will earn you money as well as increase your visitors' trust in you. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. Make sure you're being savvy with your affiliate advertising. Simply throwing up ads at random will be a turnoff to many clients. Make sure the theme of the ads resonate with your customers and complements the overall tone of your website. If your website is geared towards customers who are avid hunters, for example, make sure the affiliate ads that you choose are connected in some way with that content on your site. If you want to improve your affiliate marketing techniques but have hit a rut as far as new ideas, this video gave you multiple ways to branch out from whatever current methods you use. Give them a try and it is doubtful that you will regret it. Student loan.